Hi everyone, we meet again this week with me Navin. Last week at the Exhibition R event, we have done the exterior review for this special unit from Honda Malaysia. Do note that this is the only facelifted FK8 that made its way to Malaysia via official channel. Yes, you guys hear it right. Only one unit in Malaysia. And for this week's episode, I'm going to introduce to you guys Ik, where he is going to doing the interior review and also the test drive experience. Ik, come here. Yes, this is Ik. So
Hi.
he's going to do the test drive and interior review. Okay, now let's roll VT.
Hi guys, it's me Ik from the Honda guys, and today I'm going to do the interior and also the test drive experience for the Racing Blue Pearl FK8 Type R 2020. Now let's do it. Okay, now let's see what the interior looks like. Okay, there is a pair of an in-house design red bucket seat, which gave a great support and comfort for daily usage. And as I'm a fan of a bucket seat, I do find this one is just nice for me. I'm 180 cm tall and I got a lot of thigh support, and the backrest also hug my lumbar very well. It's just nice. If you guys can see, the dashboard is basically similar to the normal Civic, but with red and black theme color, and this part over here is covered in the carbon pattern trim. The steering wheel for this facelift model is made in Alcantara, along with a familiar looking meter similar to the one of Civic FC, except for the Type R model, it comes with a red accent. I think the steering wheel feels much nicer compared to the leather on the pre-facelift model. The shifter is a short throw, and the design of the knob is different from the pre-facelift model. The design, in our opinion, is similar to the one on the DC5 Type R. Surprisingly, it is much nicer to grab and feel natural to the hand grip. There is 3 different modes for you to choose from: Comfort, Sport and Plus R, via a dial here. And if you guys notice, there is 3 exhaust tips at the back of the car, and that is not just for the looks. The Honda engineers designed it a way to control the exhaust note. The theory is very simple. You control the air pressure that goes into the barrel, and voila, you keep the car decibel lower. For purists, sorry man, there will be no more loud raw exhaust note. For neighbors, they'll start to like you more than ever. There you go guys, a quick review for the interior of the FK8 Type R. Do note that this is the only facelifted model that coming to Malaysia by Honda Malaysia, which means it does come with an official warranty by them. And now we're going to do a test drive for this FK8 Type R. Let's go for a drive. Okay, first thing first, The car is easy to drive, even if you are not a daily manual driver. You'll find that controlling and shifting the clutch is the easiest thing to do in a sport car. Do take note, this car comes with a short shifter, so you don't need to give a fist to your shifter. You just flick your wrist and you'll go. I used to drive the EK9 and the FD2, and in my opinion, the EK9 is the harshest among these three models. For the FD2, it feels like it's eager to be punished by the driver, even though the clutch is much shorter than the EK9. But for the FK8, the clutch is lighter and is much more friendlier to be in. I don't want to comment on the power though. With 300 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque, the power is immediate. It seems like you are driving an all-wheel drive car in a straight line. But if you're going to be harsh on the cornering, the traction control will take place and will cut some of the power delivery. You no longer need to do the heel toe through the gears, as all that will be done by the automatic rev function. So there will be no power loss if you need one. Hear that? One thing that I like though, being a sport car, if you drive the FK gently, it will follow your character too. The car is suitable for daily driving, even in traffic jam. The clutch is lighter, the power is there, and everything is just nice for this car. And is it appropriate for us to talk about the fuel consumption in a sports car? Well, the car being a Honda, of course, it is a fuel saving. Depends on how your driving behavior. Daily driving, approved. There is an adaptive damper system being installed on this car, and this system changes the character depends on the driving mode that you choose. So if you're driving on the Plus R mode, the car is still comfortable to drive thanks to this system. The braking also has been upgraded by the Honda with the new 2-piece front rotor brake, accompanied by the pad that doesn't fit as fast. Honda engineers also include the active sound control, which uses its speakers to enhance the engine sound. Nice, isn't it? Before we forget, thank you to Balihan Motors Seremban for giving us an opportunity to be the first at reviewing this car. Do take note that this facelifted FK8 is the only unit that coming to Malaysia by Honda Malaysia. So it means it does come with an official warranty by them. There you go, a test drive experience for the FK8 Type R. Remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification button bell to get the latest video from us next time. I'm Ik and Navin signing off for this week's episode. We are the Honda guys. We are all about Hondas. See you again next time. Bye bye.